Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. আজি আমি কথা পাতিম কম্পিউটাৰ সায়েন্সৰ ওপৰত মানে যিখিনি আমাৰ APSC, IBPO, APDCL, আসাম পুলিচ, SSC আদি য'ত এইবিলাকত আমাৰ জেনেৰেল মানে কম্পিউটাৰৰ ওপৰত কোৱেশ্চন আহে ঠিক আছে আমি আজি এইটো বিষয়ৰ ওপৰত আলোচনা কৰিম ঠিক আছে আহক এতিয়া আমি ভিডিঅ'টো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ কোৱেশ্চন A parallel port is most often used by answer was C and a printer. Bluetooth technology allows option number answer was B wireless communication between equipments. Question number 3 which of the following is an example of an optical disc? Your answer was D digital versatile discs. Question number 4 which of the following is an example of storage device answer hoise D all of this মানে यार গুটে কিটা হয় ইয়াত টেক্সট কো বুজায় ডিভিডি কো বুজায় আৰু ম্যাগনেটিক ডিস্ক কো বুজায় question number 5 IC chip used in computers are made of ইয়াৰ answer hoise silicon এ বনোৱা হৈছে question number 6 which of the following is not an example of operating system answer hoise A Microsoft Office question number 7 which supercomputer is developed by Indian scientists? Answer was B. Pram. Question number 8. OS in computer system means operating system. Yeah, mana full meaning to ki hoti se OS or yeah is operating system. Answer was C. MOV extension refers to yeah answer was D. Movie file. MPG extension refers to an movie file. Question number 11. What did you do to highlight a word? You position the cursor next to the word and then answer is A. Drag mouse while holding button down. Question number 12. Which is the part of the computer system that one can physically touch? Yeah, answer is C. Mana hardware. Question number 13. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym. Answer is D. RW. Read write. A ... Question number 14. A ... is an electronic device that processes data, converting it into information. Computer kotha koise answer hobo computer. Question number 15. ... is processed by the computer information or into information. Yeah, answer is A. Data. File extension are used in order to ... Yeah, answer is D. Identify the file type. Question number 17. The most common type of storage devices are কি হ'ব কোৱেশ্চনটো flash নে magnetic নে persistent নে optical या answer শুদ্ধ answer হৈছে magnetic question number 18 there are ... parts to a computer system answer হৈছে B চাৰিটা part during question number 19 during the ... portion of the information processing cycle the computer acquires data from some sources answer is C input question number 20 the ... tells the computer how to use its components answer is C operating system question number 21 an output device that lets you see what the computer is doing the answer is B monitor screen question number 22 A ... is an example of an input device answer is A or C yat question to question number 23 a computer cannot boot if it does not have the ... answer is C operating system 24 question number 24 bit in short for binary digit question number 25 powerful key that lets you exit a program when pushed answer is C escape key Question number 26. A command that takes what has been typed into computer and can see be on the screen and sends it to the printer for output on paper. Answer is A. Question number 27. Which of the following describes the characteristics features of SRAM? Answer is D. Low consumption of power. ইয়াত এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন কৰি দিছে ঠিক আছে আপোনালোকে ইয়াত পঢ়ি ল'ব তেতিয়া ধুনীয়াকৈ বুজি পোৱা যাব Question number 28 Free of cost repair of software bug available at internet is called parts বুলি কয় এইটো মানে question answer হৈছে D Question number 29 Which of the following is READ only disc the answer হৈছে B DVD-ROM Question number 30 Which of the following is not a computer language answer is D medium level language 31 Question number 31 bit stands for question number B binary digit Question number 32 Which one of the following is not a linear data structure answer is B binary tree Question number 33 Which one of the following is different from the other members it is a Google answer is Google Question number 34 Where does a computer add and compare its data answer is A CPU CPU meaning is central processing unit Question number 35 Computers on an internet are identified by answer is C IP address Question number 36 Which one of the following is not an internet service provider ISP মানে short form to the answer is D Infotech India Limited Question number 37 The hexadecimal number system consists of the symbols answer is B Question number 38 The binary equivalent of minus 35 10 is 2's complement system is used yet answer is A 1 GB is equal to answer is B 2 to the power 30 bytes Question number 40 The set of a computer programs that manage the hardware software of a computer is called answer is C operating system Question number 41 POP3 and IMAP are email accounts in which answer is C one only has to be connected to the server to send and receive email Question number 42 Yahoo was developed by answer is C David Philo and Jerry Yang Question number 43 ALU stands for answer is D arithmetic logic unit Question number 44 A personal computer uses a number of chips mounted on a circuit board called answer is D motherboard 45 S/MIME in internet technology stands for answer is A secure multipurpose internet mail extension Question number 46 The octal number system consists of the following symbols answer is A 0 to 7 Question number 47 Which of the following operating system is used on mobile phones answer is B Android Question number 48 If y x represents a number y in base x then which of the following number is smallest of all answer is A Question number 49 High level programming language can be converted to machine language using which of the following answer is B মানে compiler Question number 50 HTML is used to create answer is C web page মানে HTML to থাকে দেখিছে এটো সবে আজিকালি আৰু গুগল to চলাই গুগলৰ ওপৰতে থাকে HTML বুলি তাৰপিছত / dot এনেকৈ আহে তাৰপিছত আমাৰ www dot এনেকৈ আহে লিখিব লাগে ঠিক আছে Question number 51 The term DNS stands for question number A Domain Name System Question number 52 Errors in computer programs are called Question number C bugs Question number 53 HTML is basically used to design Question number D web page ote hoy Question number 54 The process of laying out a document with text graphics headlines and photographs is involved in question number answer is C desktop publishing Question number 55. Transfer of data from one application to another line is known as. Answer is D. Dynamic data exchange. Question number 56. Networking of libraries through electronic media is known as. Answer is A. Inflabinet. Question number 57. CD-ROM stands for. Answer is C. Computer disk read-only memory. Question number 58. IPv4 and IPv6 are addresses used to identify the computer to the internet. Find the correct statement of the following. The answer is C. Number of bits required for IPv4 address is less than number of bits required for IPv6 address. Question number 59. TCP/IP is necessary if one is to connect to the. Answer is C. Internet. Question number 60. Each character on the keyboard of computer has a ASCII value which stands for. Answer is B. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Jodi আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পালে তেন্তে লাইক শেয়াৰ এণ্ড সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব লগতে কাষতে থকা বেল আইকনটো ক্লিক কৰিব যাতে মই এনেকুৱা আৰু ভিডিও বনালে আপোনালোকে সোনকালে মোৰ ভিডিওটো পায় এতিয়ালৈ বাই বাই আহিছো